How to turn off notifications on Reddit. How to turn off notifications on Reddit. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, when it comes to turning off the notifications on Reddit, there are two ways to do that. The first one, it goes like this. Open up Reddit. Once you do that, click on the avatar at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here, from the general section, click on account settings, and then scroll down to the contact settings section and click on manage notifications. Here you will be able to manage the app notifications. You can turn them off by clicking on the toggle next to them, and by turning all of the toggles off, you will disable all of the notifications that you will get from the Reddit app. And if you go back and click on manage email, you will here be able to turn off the email notifications that you will receive. And you can do the same, turn some of them off and leave some on, or you can unsubscribe from all the emails at the bottom by turning that option on. And by doing this, you will stop all of the email notifications that you will get from Reddit. So that was the first option. The second option, it goes like this. Open up your settings and then scroll down to apps and then navigate to Reddit and click on it. And here from the privacy section, click on notifications. And as you can see here, you will be able to turn off the notifications that you will get from the Reddit app, and you can disable all of them at once by just turning off the notifications. And by doing this, you won't receive any notifications from the Reddit app. So there you have it. Those were all of the ways that you can use to disable and stop the notifications on Reddit. I hope that helps. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable, stop, and turn off the Reddit app notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. That said, see you in the next video.